working right now. Can you hear me? Hello.
I can hear you, but there is an echo. Okay. Canva. The sound is not that clear. Okay.
Okay, now.
Yeah. Jubair Bhai is also here.
I didn't get the mail today actually, so I thought you guys are not hosting.
Actually, I was quite busy. Even I thought that I will cancel meeting today, and I apologize. But I just it was a heavy hectic day. I just came from the market, doing my job, doing my work of my family business, and just uh, have the bath. And now back. I thought there is a chance that people from I actually posted in a Reddit for an international Reddit subreddit for English practice, and two people from one from China, one from India actually they registered through the form, and I thought they will join, but today the problem of today. I just sent the email right now, so maybe they will not join, but there is a chance. Okay. Maybe what I can do in our WhatsApp channel, I can say that the session has been started. I can send a message in the WhatsApp channel. Maybe more people join. What do you think, Zubair bhai, Raisa? What is the suggestion? Should I openly send the Google Meet link in the WhatsApp group so that anyone can join, or the form after the form submission, the email, that is the actual that is the good way?
I think maybe if you send them like link to the WhatsApp, like everyone could access, right? People, do all of them registered or not?
No, but I think 20 people. There are 91 followers on the WhatsApp channel. Only 20 people registered through the form.
So they know that it's for free, but still they didn't register.
Yeah.
I think some
Mm.
people are lazy like me. They don't trying to fill the form then submit.
Yeah, I don't know. Let me show. I just asked people today, why are you not joining the session, and some people.
Or we should go poll, like give them some reasons and let them do the poll.
The reason are actually the things I was watching. You are seeing my screen, right? So in the WhatsApp channel, I asked, what is the why are you not joining the
Okay,
session?
view responses, okay.
Okay, and family well disturbed and scared to be youngest here. And another people said HSC candidate. Another said exam chole. Same thing. Okay, this is the Chinese. This the Yuri. This guy is the Chinese that actually registered today. I think he didn't really understand what I asked. Then he replied that I have filled out the form. And yeah, Amit, this is the guy from the India. Today is my first day, and Mamunur Rashid, he said yes, but I don't know
Okay.
why. I don't know why.
Candidates already have a pressure. How are they gonna, like, some maybe they don't take the exam seriously, there could be chances, but most of them are super serious, and the exam today didn't go well that much, I guess.
My
Today was bang.
yeah, okay, my younger sister is taking the exam, HEC exam, today, and I don't know. Actually, I am bit worried.
Like, what do you think, like, this session or HSC 26 maybe, like, they might have a higher chance of getting fail? The question pattern is quite hard.
I don't know about other people, other students, but my sister has a very chance to get a fail one or two subject. Okay,
Okay, don't worry. Brother
I'm
like you can make her sister fail. She's definitely gonna ace it.
actually we the whole family is quite worried about her, because I have two
Top
sister.
chances are all, yeah, we know that.
I have two younger sister. So I my after my the young after me the one is Shorna. So she is studying in Jatiyo Kavi Nazrul Islam University, environmental science and engineering. So he got chance in a public university from the first one, for the first chance. He was not that good student, but he managed it. She had a very hard time to job, but managed it. But the youngest one, they she is actually live in another world. So she is always busy in social media, chilling out. So the family is
Are
actually worried about her.
are they twin siblings? Like, are they twins?
No, 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 not twins. So basically, the youngest one is 10 year. After me, Shorna is 4 years younger than 4 years. What is it? So I am 4 years older than her, and from the youngest one is 10 years later. Like John.
They are both HSC candidates.
No, no, no. After me, Shorna. So Shorna is studying in a university. She is in third. I think she is fourth year or third year. Jatiyo Kavi Nazrul Islam University in Mymensingh, Trishal. In She is studying environmental science and engineering. And the youngest one, Dula is taking the ACC exam. She is the HSC candidate.
Bola.
Dula, yeah.
Yeah, bro. Both of them, their names, I thought like I had friends of their names, so I thought maybe it could be both of them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So that's the whole situation. Jubair bhai, what are you doing? Wha-
I am learning AWS. So no, sorry, not AWS, Azure. Actually, actually not learning. I just spin up a virtual machine.
Yeah,
I just test for run the Node.js app. Just it. Uh,
Node.js app. Yeah, virtual. Where did you buy it from the VPS? AWS. Are you using AWS?
Sorry.
Are you using AWS or Hostinger? From which VPS are you using?
No, no, no. I am using Azure.
Azure. Oh, okay, okay. Same things, but I think AWS. You can learn the AWS first because
Yeah,
I saw
yeah.
that.
I used.
Hmm,
Yeah, I used. I learned AWS.
then it's
Uh,
fine. Then it's fine. Then you are.
S3.
Yeah.
Then I am my identity management. This.
Yeah.
Then relational database, and I told you I used RDS like this. Then uh, there is a popular virtual machine or what should I say? What is ECS?
EC2.
No,
EC2.
EC2. EC2. Yes, EC2. ECS is just elastic container for EC2. I used EC2, and I used AWS. AWS UI is clean and more user friendly. But uh, if you used Azure,
I have. I have.
it's it's its UI is not good
No.
and not user friendly. It's really boring.
Microsoft's every product of Microsoft's has a less and the scary UI. Though, so the UI are the worst. I think I don't like Microsoft's any
But
products UI.
even GCP, the Google Cloud, Google GCP,
GCP. Yes.
even GCP UI is not good and
Yeah.
really confusing.
Yeah, actually, yeah, cloud every cloud platform is a confusing first because you because there are tons of services like so even if you use AWS, yes, we are using just particularly 2 or 3 services, and even those services we don't know deeply because even in my last companies people they cannot deploy the service and even sometimes if the EC2 crashes or anything happens in the network if some network issue happens, no one could answer what is happening or what. So it's actually the cloud management is a totally different game, and if you
Yeah,
have the
ex-
yeah.
I think expert is if you want to expert in cloud, you should need and well need in networking
Yeah,
because the course fundamental is networking.
yeah, networking is quite good at yes, but even even it is a, if Raisa is hearing it, if you are searching for a career option, then network engineer actually has a very safe opportunity in AI era actually, because networking is not actually about the software or the cloud platform. If you are if you are uh, establishing a or making an server of your own, a actual server, uh, then and also have to manage everything, so they need network engineers. And they are as this is an hardware related, there is a hardware involved, you have to plug the cables, you have to set up anything, routing and anything, everything. AI will not do any job in this sector. So network engineers have a really good future and stable market. As a, if you are from CSE background or ECE background, triple E background, if someone is preparing for network engineering job or doing a thing, it is a great choice as a career.
Like, how do you prepare for that? Is there any course or you gotta get a certificate or what?
Yeah, there are some certifications. You can Oracle, SQL or
Cisco,
Cisco is the mainly. Then and
Linux Foundation, Linux
yes, Linux
Foundation
Foundation.
also.
These are some of the certifications. But even though you do these certifications, this is not an as I have no not a degree. I have not I have no degree. But even though I came into a software engineering field, but if you are preparing for a network engineering job, you must have a degree. So they actually look for a degree. You are maybe you are from CSE background, but best if you are from a ECE background, electrical and communication. There is a department, even our Kuwait, our in my university there's a department, electrical and communication engineering, ECE. They are actually this is actually a really good department. So you get the chance of get learning programming. If you are in ECE department, you have to learn programming also. You can also, many of my friends and my seniors, they were from ECE background, but one of my senior from ECE background, he is a team leader or department head in Brain Station 23. In I think he is leading the AI or software team, something like that, machine learning team. So he is from ECE background, but he is the team leader and he is leading all the software engineer and CSE graduates there. And you can also work in government agencies, and telecommunication companies like Grameen Phone, Robi, Banglalink. All of them search for ECE engineers. And also you can go for the networking engineering and this kind of stuff. And there are some courses, but this is actually a really good department. No, actually, no, really less people talk about this engineering department. But once they got into university and see them, they understood that yeah, they had to miss a really good department, the ECE. So if you
Like,
say
it is the best department
no,
because you got to learn programming and other stuff. Like, what are the
no,
benefits?
actually the word best you cannot apply best to any department. It's actually controversial, because if you say that that is the best, then what are others? They are, even you can be an architect and you can also do a good job, right?
Oh,
No, so
why good in your eyes? Like, why? What did you see in it? That's what I'm asking.
it in this era, okay, so in this AI era, or in this AI era, the best department or the best thing you can do, if you are actual as traditional degree are getting less attention these days. So what kind of degree you can do, right? So the best department you can choose that are multidisciplinary. Okay, so if they are combining many things, they are not traditionally one thing, then you have a really good chance. Suppose that you are from chemical engineering. Okay, so when you are doing chemical engineers, you are not only doing chemical such type of work. Chemical is related to mechanical, under goes through the mechanical department. So we also learn from mechanical related work and everything. And also if you have interest in computer programming or computer, they also learn that. So you can combine that knowledge. So this kind of departments, there are some departments, they are actually combination of many things. So ECE department are combination of electrical, CSC, and of course networking or this kind of communication related work. So there is a
Well,
chance, so you can, yeah.
networking falls under ECE. Is that so? Like networking engineering falls under ECE department or?
Yeah, it's false, it totally false. This is their major, you can say that this is their major sector, major sector, okay. And also, and if you are going to a CSC department, you will only learn the programming, math, this kind of work. You will not this side of work. If you are interested, then you have to work on your own, you have to self study, you have to look for that by yourself. But when you are in CEC department, the networking type of work is, this is the big sector, this is the actual, the fundamental of them, their work. But they have some courses, they also teach you programming related work, they also show you electrical related work. And if you are interested in programming, then you can just on your, and in this you can already see that this is the AI era, right? And learning programming and software from the YouTube is really easy, and even I learned it from you. So if you are work, you want to go for software line, it will be easy for you. But the networking stuff, that actually very rare, and you cannot learn it by on your own, it is really hard for someone, right? So there's the go. And even if you go to AI and try to learn that stuff, you are not getting the degree or certification that you know the degree. So yeah, I,
So what do you learn in network engineering
yeah.
specifically?
Yeah, network engineering is, and there are some network engineers, they do this kind of jobs of net. And even many of my seniors got into the corporate area like Banglalink, Grameen Phone, they easily got into, because the telecommunication is the main sector, the communication, right? So they easily get into this kind of service.
Network engineering, you gotta do something like what do they teach in the books, or do you gotta self learn in that also, or is it mostly theoretical or technical? What is it?
I don't have the total idea because I didn't come from that background. But mostly I know that if you join them, then you will learn the communication networking related stuff. There are some stuff, there are a bunch of stuff. I am not actually qualified to answer that because I don't have much idea about that, I'm not from that background. But there's an opportunity, a really good opportunity.
You said something like server electrical. I didn't quite get that. Like if you own a server or something, you said along those lines.
Yeah, so it's actually technical word, I think you will not understand properly. So when you are saying like this, we are in a Google Meet, right? So this Google Meet is actually hosted in a Google server, the
Yeah,
GCP. He was, the Jubair bhai was talking about the GCP. So this is actually server, actually a computer, nothing else. It is a computer, a powerful computer that is running 24/7. So
that
there,
gets hot, and people are saying that server takes all the water to cool down, and it's heating much, and it needs like it's heated stuff. They're all machines, and they get so hot and all blah blah blah.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, so actually server is a computer, that's it, and nothing else. Even your computer need a fan, right? Yeah, if your computer need a fan, the CPU to cool down. And now
yeah.
so now think that your computer or is actually a very basic stuff, doing the basic calculation, and they are not doing any heavy work. But the server is really a powerful computer, very powerful computer. And to cool that down, on only fan, only one fan or two fan will not work. They needed to cool down through many process and everything. And to cool down that fan, we will need electricity. And yeah, also there is a cooling down, water cooling down. I'm from energy science background, so I learned those in my subject in my department. So there is a cooling or uh, air conditioning kind of stuff. So why they actually put the water into that CPU or GPU to cool down that computer, and the water get vaporized.
It's running, right? Yeah, vaporized and
Yeah, the water get vaporized. So so you can, when the water get vaporized, you will not leave it, or you will not get it out. You will also try to recycle it. So the when the water, the warm vaporized water goes through a cycle, and in that cycle you will also try to cool that down, cool down the vapor. And when you are cooling down that vapor, you will need electricity, the temperature, it will rise the temperature, and the temperature will be released in the atmosphere. Okay, so this kind of stuff, I'm simplifying the thing, but it goes cycle in cycle and cycle.
What are you gonna do as a network engineer in that?
So we will not cool down. The work of that is when you are in a big office. I think okay, I think a new one joined. So, hello Samir, can you hear us? You have to unmute and then talk.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you guys?
We are fine. So we are talking. You are the fourth individual who joined today, and here is Jubair Bhai and Raisa. Say everyone welcome Samir.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank
Okay,
you everyone for welcoming me.
okay. So let me introduce ourselves. I'm Shemanto. I'm hosting this everyday this 1 hour session. So you can actually, you don't have to on the camera, turn on the camera or anything, and also you can off the mic button if you are not talking, because some noises came. So that's okay. Okay. Even Raisa can stop. Even noise coming from Raisa too. Okay.
Yeah, my mic actually takes a lot of background sound, so I'm actually sorry for that.
No, don't worry. Just unmute it. So it will be good for us to discussion if you just put down when you are not talking. So thank you, Samir, for joining. Let me introduce ourselves and what is this and everything. So I'm Shimanto. I'm from Bangladesh, Mymensingh, and I'm hosting this 1 hour English speaking session where people can join and they can speak whatever they like, just to ensure that they are speaking, and the intention is to build up confidence to speak English. Okay, so there are some rules that you follow. You are also seeing that on the screen. So forget grammar. Okay, you don't have to forget grammar totally. So you don't have to remember any rules or anything. Just say anything you like, whatever you like, just say it, and no one will judge you. Also we request, please don't judge other what is their opinion. You can have different opinion, but don't judge other. And also listen respectfully and carefully, and don't just talk, try to listen to others. One rule that is must: you have to speak only in English for 1 hour. One person speak at a time, and respect other opinion. If you are not liking the thing, you don't want to talk about it, just say no and we will stop to talk about that. Relax and enjoy the conversation. And also, I am not a teacher. You are also seeing that. So I am also not a teacher. We are also we are practicing all together. So even I make mistake. So relax. The motto is confidence first, grammar later. So that's it. Today is our fifth session. This is our fifth day, and Jubair Bhai is joining from the day one. I'm really thankful to Jubair Bhai, and Raisa here. Raisa, this is our third day in a row. I think anyone joins, they are just hooked up to everything, and he joins every day. And we hope that you will join from the this today. Okay, Samir, that's it. That's the introduction. And would you like to introduce yourself and where you are from, or anything interesting about yourself that we can discuss of today?
Well, you guys can call me Samir, but that's actually not my legal name. That's
Okay.
the name given by my mom.
Okay.
Actually, I have been more interested in this section. I was the Reddit guy that talked with you about face issue. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, so see, my HSC has been begun, so I have been not
Yeah.
able to join. But today's exam was good, so I am very happy. So that's why I joined. Let's Let's spread some happiness.
Okay, okay. So you are the HEC candidate.
Yeah.
Okay, Raisa and I were talking about the HEC candidate that they are serious. Raisa, what HEC candidate has joined? You want to talk to him or anything? And
Like for sure, he is from Dhaka. That's for sure. Like Dhaka's question paper wasn't so hard. So, but the others they had quite tough today.
About that, I'm pretty sure that the question of whole Bangladesh is the same, and I'm actually from Chittagong. Sorry for late introduction.
okay, okay. So you are from Chittagong. So which college are you in?
It's quite a
I'm I'm from Chittagong Collegiate School and College.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So I had some I had many friends. Actually, I think one or two friends. I can remember one or two friends from my university. They were from your college. Um, they actually, yeah, I have many friends. I have many friends from Chattogram, and I actually love Chattogram people. They are actually my best buddy, and they help me a lot. Even my last job, there was a guy from there was two guys from Chattogram, and one guy was from Duet. He was from Duet. He's a political student, amazing guy and really helpful. I just talked with him 2 or 3 days earlier. He had an interview, and that didn't go well, and he failed, and he was talking about whenever I crossed with the Chattogram Chatgaya people, and I have made friends, and they are excellent people.
That's very nice. Yeah, Chittagong. Sorry, I used my Chittagong accent.
Chatgaya people trying to hide their accent is the you will need very strong motivation to avoid your Chatgaya accent, right? But rules is rules. You
I
have to
was
speak
just
in
about to
English.
say
Yeah,
Chittagong.
yeah. Okay, whatever
Yeah, sorry.
you have to speak in English. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, continue.
Okay, so Samir, how was the exam and what was the situation? So you said that whole Bangladesh is doing exam in one question paper, one same question paper.
Yeah, whole Bangladesh question is same.
Oh, okay, okay. So I didn't know that. Even my younger sister is
Well,
also HSC candidate, but I didn't know. Yeah.
I see. Well, you can ask her that the MCQ was total chaos.
Okay.
That's for sure. Even I messed up, but
Okay.
not bad. But I still reached my expectations, so it was good. The guard was also top notch. There were CCTV cameras and all.
Yeah.
But since I didn't have to take much help from others,
Mm-hmm.
so I didn't much care. The madam, sorry, the madam was, what to say, she was always beside me, but still I didn't even bust because I was writing in whole turbo mode. I wanted to answer all 7 CQs, so today's exam was top notch for me. Yeah.
Yeah. Really good, and I think you will do better in the next exams also. So, okay, Jubair bhai, you want to add something or ask Samir, Raisa, Jubair bhai?
Yeah, I know for sure that this guy studies like the Udbhash students or something. The whole unit. I've checked the question solving papers in YouTube actually, and the whole comment section was crying that I gotta get 15 marks at least. I pray, but after seeing the shorts and the answers, I better get 15 at least. So I thought most of them barely got 20. So I didn't know that all of the question patterns was quite the same. But he studies a lot. I didn't expect, and he studied whole year, and now he's here with us.
Uh,
Haha. Can I add something?
yeah, of course. So, floor is yours. Whatever you
Well,
want to add, just say it.
that's a nice, sweet assumption of me from Raisa Appu, but what the actual truth is, I only studied yesterday.
Okay, now the genius.
I
No,
I
the
borrowed
all.
I borrowed a book from my friend. He's in first year right now. I didn't even buy the books.
Okay,
I borrowed a book from him, then studied like crazy. Went to reading all the actual stories, not following any guides or anything.
okay,
Well, yeah, that's the secret
okay. So
or cheat code.
there are two type of chances there. One chances that in my department, in my university department, the topper of our department, he always said that he didn't study before the exam or city, but even though he always stood first at he's the topper. Okay, and another type is like my sister. She always said her exam is okay and he just got it and everything. Then the result come and we are just seeing his result whatever it comes. And someday, so there is a two chance, Sabir, you are you are like our topper, who is saying that he just did it one time and then he also get top, or you are like my sister, you will get you will whatever it will show up in the when the result comes out. Okay, sorry.
Well, I would not add this detail, but since Raisa who assumed what I am, that's why I added this. It's not like a show off or something.
No, 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 no. It's okay. It's okay. We are not judging you anything. Just saying. It is a, actually we come to this place and just talk about rubbish thing and whatever comes to mind. Okay, but we are just saying it in English. That's it. Nothing else. Okay. Even we don't know each other anything, but comes here. But that's it. That's it. That's the whole. That was the whole concept of this conversation. Okay, so we are having it and hoping that but the problem is no, not enough people are joining every day. You are the fourth individuals who just joined, and maybe I just showed Raisa in the first of the media meeting that many people said the same thing. The HEC exam is going on. Maybe the people registered actually going students, running students. Maybe we should, I was hoping that people are preparing for IELTS, they will join much in this kind of session, but nobody showed up like this. I think there is a marketing thing.
Yeah, yeah, that's me. That's I'm one of those guys. Yeah.
Yeah. So Samir, what is your future plan? You are going to so you are what is your plan? You are going to for prepare for the universities, normal universities, or engineering college, or whatever. What is your plan?
Well, I usually don't share my plan in details, but what I can share is I plan to go abroad. So here we are.
In the bachelor level,
Sorry.
in the bachelor level. So after this HEC, you will go abroad directly. You will not do the bachelor in Bangladesh.
No, 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 no bachelors. But I did some research about bachelors. I may do it. Yeah, it depends on scenarios. After I just see what comes. So it's actually a little complicated. So you know.
Yeah, I understand. I understand. You are just giving the exam. So when the result comes, then you will decide. Yes, that's a hectic time. Even Raisa is preparing for the. She is a admission candidate in this year. So we are
I
talking
see.
about this
Good luck.
today. So Raisa, what about you? Are you have you are asking 2 days about knowing which department, research, anything? You decided yet what you will do?
It has been just 2 days that I've asked you. How do you expect that I decided?
It will take time. It will take time. But don't waste that much of time because you said that your many of your friends have already got admitted, right?
Yeah.
So if you don't get into anything in a few months or as soon as possible, then you will feel left out, and that's the problem. The okay, try to best. Everything will be sorted out at last. That's for sure. Jubair bhai, are you watching a football game again today?
No, I'm not watching
What are
today.
you doing?
Uh, I'm just pretty much busy about one. I'm debugging something.
Okay, you are coding. So what are you making? Oh,
Mm,
you said that you are on. Okay, I forgot. You said that you are working on the Azure. So you are
yes.
deploying something. You any project or anything you are working on?
Yeah, I built a SaaS project for learning SaaS architecture and the domain,
Yeah.
and I'm trying to deploy in Azure, but it's I'm using free service,
Oh.
and it gave me one list. I think it's less than 1 GB RAM. That's I'm facing some problem. That's why.
Oh. Okay. Okay. So I also had some idea today. Maybe have you ever have anyone have played Chur Police Dakat Babu? The Chur Police.
Classic game.
Yeah, yeah. So I was thinking I would make an app for Chur Police Dakat Babu game in Bangla version. I was thinking, what can I make for them? But actually, as I was saying earlier of the meeting earlier days, that I am trying to avoid coding as much as I can. I am whenever ideas are coming into my mind, I am just saying that I will not do it. I will not code today. If I just show you my GitHub, so so this is my GitHub. Actually, if you don't know, the GitHub is actually for the coding stuff. The Raisa and yeah, well, don't know. So this is for the coding stuff. So we put all the codes here on the GitHub. So actually this is the, so this bar, the dots, so these green dots, these are the this shows up when we, which date we coded or push our code. So you can see that this was the 9th June. 9th June actually I pushed my last code, and I was actually very, if I was continuously doing coding for 25, 26. Yeah. So if this is the 26th one, and I was continuously from the January I was, but right now I'm not doing any code or anything. I'm trying to avoid anything as much as I can. I am actually very much confused. What should I do? I should continue this programming or not? I'm
So about GitHub, maybe is Samir from like science unit? Like most of us know about GitHub, but the interference looks so messy from the app, like from mobile if you wanna see that. But from the computer screen you shared, it looks quite put together. Like it didn't give a headache. But from my phone, whenever I get to GitHub, it looks quite a messy app. It gives me headache just to look at it.
Oh, okay. I don't know what pages you see, but I try to organize my GitHub as much as I can. Maybe I organized it. It actually needed to customized, but most of us actually
Uh,
go to see it through our window in our PC. So I don't know what we are seeing in
is
the.
she is she talk about your readme.md?
Maybe she is talking about that.
Actually, that was the fancy or someone that was not default.
Yeah,
Default is very simple,
yeah.
and he's modified his uh, readme. That's called readme.
So
And
yeah, so it is an actually markdown. You can customize this and everything. If I could put it, okay, okay, that's it. Also, okay. So Samir, what were you doing before joining the meeting? 22 minutes left.
Well, I was just scrolling actually. Nothing much.
Nothing much. You will not be prepared for the next job, next exam.
Yeah, after this meeting ends, I will start my study.
After this meeting the time will be 11:30. You should be you will be sleeping after that. You will not study, brother.
We are most likely night owls, so I don't think HSC candidates ever sleep. Like my sister, like she's even she's somewhat surprised. Like she reads in a school in our like near home, and that school time is from 11 a.m. till 4 p.m. Like you got you can sleep all you want and still go to school. But in my case, it wasn't like this. So till HSC, I even didn't even sleep full night. I was like a zombie. I didn't sleep night. I drank coffee, and she doesn't even believe that people can survive without a day or two of sleep. Like she is so much aware. Like she is just in class 8, but she makes sure she gets 8 hours of sleep. I'm like, this school has ruined you. Like not gonna be able to wake up early.
So, I have a feelings that Samir will not study today. Samir, am I right?
You actually might be right.
I think I am actually like this. Samir is actually like me. I was the same kind of student like Samir. I think I can I understood what Samir is doing, but I have a great feeling that he will not study before the next exam. I think he will start reading 2 or 3 days ago. That's the best I think. Go
Like, what did
before.
you do in your HSC time in exams between?
Well, I really have to start studying from morning because the next exam is on Saturday until 8.
The mic is not working, maybe.
I used to have earphone, type earphone before.
Yeah, Samir, your microphone is not working properly. I think the sound is not. We are not hearing it properly.
Okay, like my
No, no, no. I think the network has some issue. Okay. I have 19 minutes left. Okay, not much time left. So, any
I asked
any
that if you answer why and you didn't get it. I asked that how did you spend the HSC exam in between times? Were you awake the whole night and study or something?
you are asking me, Baisa? You are asking me or Samir?
You, I'm asking you.
I used to read a lot. I'll I'll not I'll not lie. Yeah, I read a lot. I was actually panicked. I even you will not believe that I my in my college life, if I even I that has actually traumatized me. I think it has traumatized me for lifelong, because even few days ago I was sleeping and I was watching a dream that I was going to an exam, HEC or this kind of admission exam. And when I was entering the exam hall, I my friend Sporsho, he was my best friend in the college and school. So I in the dream I was saying that I was asking Porsche which exam today, and he replied that today is Bangla second paper. And I was panicked that, oh, I have not read it. What I'll do, I'll not so I just woke up from the dream. I was waked up suddenly from my sleep, and I was panicked for 2 minutes. And I was thinking that maybe today is an exam and I have to prepare for it. I have not prepared for it. Then I what then for then after 2 minutes, then I was okay, I have passed university already, I don't have to study anymore. I was okay, relaxed. So I fell asleep again. And I was even this is not first time. Actually, I have seen this dream 2 or 3 times in many years. Even though I it has been 6 year after the I have or 6 or 7 years have been passed after my HSC, but still it traumatized me. I don't see dream about my university life or university exam, but I see dream about my HEC exam or admission test exam. Maybe I was too serious about that in that time, and I was actually it traumatized me lifelong. So the,
You had some really hard dedication, man.
yeah, yeah, actually dedication, if I will not tell lie, I am from a middle class family, and maybe now our family condition and everything is quite good right now, but in that time I have I actually I am from a backdated family, and I didn't have any internet access or anything, and so I am the first someone from my family that has gone into a good university. Okay, so in that time, after me, my sisters and everyone are getting into public university. That's why. But in that time, they are happy. They were really happy when I got into a good university. Okay, someone. Okay, 16 minutes left, but someone has joined. Hello. I s- what is hello? Can you hear me? What should I call it? Hello or hello?
Hello. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Did he
You.
left?
S- Samir. No, no. Samir is here.
I think
Uh,
it it's also called hola. No,
hello.
hello,
Hello.
hello.
Don't bully him, guys. He
Okay.
might leave.
Okay. Okay. Hello. Sorry.
No, no, no. Actually, we are not bullying.
Okay. So sorry. Hello. We are messing with you. So you can unmute and talk if you want to talk in English. If that's the session is for.
The guy's live. The guy's live, guys. He might talk any moment.
Yeah.
Hello, Mr. Hello.
You are bullying now.
Sorry. Sorry.
Hey, yo,
What? Start that.
Samir is from college
he bullied
in college.
us.
So college.
What time is when?
Hello just left us
We got
for the
we
record.
got played dirty.
This session will be recorded, so
Hello
anyone.
played us dirty.
So this session will be recorded. So anyone, if you are seeing us, don't judge us that we are bullying someone named Hello. Maybe that was the Chinese guy. One Chinese guy
Yes, but
actually
you don't
registered.
understand.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Raisa? Go on.
That's just a guy with lots of free time.
Okay. Maybe. But I
Also confused about him. I don't know about others. Maybe they are making fun of him, but I'm clear I don't make fun of him.
Hey, yeah. Well, is my microphone all right now?
yeah, it's working right now. It's clear. Yeah. I think
Yeah, I just plugged in my
hmm,
earphones.
yeah. You have to prepare whenever you're trying to join a meeting. You are younger, but whenever trying to meeting, you try to use earphone or everything, because it will always create some problem. Even I started this session. This is our fifth day. So 5 days earlier, when I started this session from the first day, I bought this my headphone, because I knew if I use the default everything, the sound quality and recording will be not that good. So we have to prepare when you are doing it professionally or anything. So you have to put some extra effort and put some money on the gadgets and everything stuff. Okay. We lost the.
Well,
Yeah.
how's my microphone quality compared to yours?
Yes, moderately good. Moderately. Sometimes it's a echo, but this microphone is really good. Because bought it because in my last job, I worked with our clients were international based. So I worked with France, USA, England, Canada, this kind of all kind of countries, and we use this kind of microphone, and it didn't show any issue. So I just bought it, and it is actually very cheap, but the quality is top notch.
Well, I'm using a Apple Wire Type C AirPods, so
Bro,
I did put some money.
you can buy Apple Wire Type C AirPod from the local market. They just sell it on a Julie, right? I also have one, but it doesn't work anymore. Okay.
Well, mine's genuine. I also have the box and everything. Yeah,
Okay, okay, we
it's Apple
trust you.
certified.
I'm just making. I was making joke. Okay, okay, I was just messing you out. I said, yeah.
Yeah, that's classic Bangladeshi joke.
Okay, so we have 11 minutes left. You want to anyone want to say anything for today's session? Have any questions or everything? So after the 11, after 5 minutes, I will
Well,
start wrapping up. Yeah.
well, I was hoping if you could share one of your work with your clients. What was the work? How did it go? And stuffs.
So,
Since you're a software engineer, I was interested.
I am an unemployed engineer. So like as also like Jubair bhai, we are both software engineer and we are both unemployed. Right, Jubair bhai?
Let me say, the both sharing stories
Actually,
because
not.
they
You
think
are not unemployed. Just I am
yeah,
unemployed.
Yeah, I'm
they're
taking.
both just messing. You wanna know stories and they wanna
And now Raisa's microphone is not working properly. Raisa,
yeah, that's the
you
issue.
you, you have to buy an Apple micro headphone just like Samir.
Stuff. Okay. Suppose 20 people joined us, like we are now 5 people or 4 people, and that's the issue. Like 4 people can talk quite a much, and suppose there are 50 and 60, how will we get turns? It's gonna be so messy.
I don't think it will be soon enough 50 people will join, and even I am not hoping 5 people will join because Mr. Halo was the fifth guy, maybe the fifth individual who joined, but he just left.
Guy, he was that Chinese guy.
I don't know what was the name of the Chinese guy. I have to check. I think it was not Halo, it was something else, but I don't know.
Yuri.
Maybe. Yeah, oh yeah, so in the WhatsApp channel they replied,
Okay,
right?
now
Yeah, maybe this kind of things. His name was
what did he reply?
Yuri. I didn't reply back. So yeah, so I think
Hey, Shimonto, bro,
yeah,
Shimonto sir,
yeah, go on.
I asked some questions, sir.
So if you want to see some work of mine, okay. Okay.
Not see, you can just tell us what you did. Like you made an app for that client for this type of
I
budget
actually
or
okay.
something like that.
So I actually worked for AIT. I in my last job I worked in AI team. So our core fundamental was okay. There is an extension I use that is okay. So if you go to my YouTube channel, I upload all the sessions. Even today's session will be uploaded. These are our previous session, and these are my previous work. So this is the MindGlow app. This my our client. She was from Canada, and she actually was obsessed with okay, psychology or this kind of work. So she wanted to use AI that people will submit their what is if someone is depressed or they are something, so they will talk to AI, and AI will guide them, or AI also suggest them YouTube video if they are feeling some pain, if they are they will suggest ebooks, PDF books to read, this kind of work. This was a psychological kind of thing. The name was MindGlow, and this was a prize game. This was a client from Oman, Middle East client, and he had a huge collection of game. So some in you will see that some people collect comics, and they are valuable when they are so the some games it is also considered as a valuable asset. So if you have some really old and classic games, you can sell them for millions of thousands of dollars. So he wanted to make a system, and the price go changes up and down every day. So he wanted to make a system that if you upload a picture of your game. If you have a game like if you have a CD or CD of this kinds of console of the game, you will just put a take a picture and upload it, and it will analyze the whole internet, and if what will be the current price of that game. So this was something project. This is a menu sidekick. This is a really good app. Menu sidekick it is a restaurant app. So suppose that you have allergies or medical conditions, or you have some you really like some kind of food or anything. So when you install the app, you will select which diet you are following. If you have any medication or medical condition, you will select that I have diabetes, and that, and you go to a restaurant, and when the restaurant give you a menu, you just scan it, and it will scan all the food items in the menu, and on your preference you have a suppose you have a issue with the milk, kind of you have a milk kind of a dairy allergy in a milk, then you cannot eat dairy products, right? So if there is some food in the menu that is related to milk, or that is a milk involved, AI will analyze it, and he will avoid this kind of food, and he will show that don't eat this food, it has a milk, and eat this food. Or you can say the restaurant owner or the restaurant waiter that I have a allergy in the milk, so don't put milk in my food, customize it. So AI will help him to analyze the menu. So it is called menu sidekick. Menu your sidekick, the like superhero sidekick, this kind of. And this was a Mon 5, so it was a huge project. Our client was a French guy, NBR, the volleyball game. So he was making a it's not a betting but fantasy game kind of work. You will say, you will know the Samir, and Samir maybe know that these are there are Dream 11 kind of apps are there related to cricket. So this is for the volleyball kind of game. And this is like a Instagram, chef stars Instagram for children who are preparing for food, only for chef stars. So little children, they are sharing their recipes in a social media kind of work. So this is our app. So these are the work from the previous one. These are some kind of these are the some works from our previous job. Are you there, anyone?
Those are some very nice works, especially the game value something.
Yeah. I knew.
I
I knew.
I myself
knew.
wanted to make something like
I
that.
knew the game will be your attention.
Yeah.
I make your attention, nothing else. Okay. Okay. How many times left? Oh, we have 4 minutes left. Anyone want to add something?
Yeah,
before we wrap
I
up?
actually saw some.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I was actually in a shop, a very old shop. I saw lots of CDs, old nostalgia 90s CDs. Then I thought that this might actually be value a lot more, a lot more. Maybe at least 2050 BDT.
In Bangladesh, they are actually
So-
don't have value. So,
So
but if you go to abroad, this
yeah,
game and console, they are sold in thousands of USD. So there's thousands of USD. Okay, so there we live in a really different dynamics of the world. So it doesn't count. Okay.
yeah. I actually like the fact that we live in a different timeline.
And nothing to be
You
liked.
can taste lots of things like
Nothing to
want
be,
to
nothing to be liked, bro. If you
you
work
want to
with
taste village, come to Bangladesh.
even many
Yeah.
countries have villages. Okay,
Continue.
Philippines and other worlds also have villages. So if you are just in younger, I'm not joking, but if you work with international clients, you will understand how poorly we are treated, and our taka, our monetary value is much weaker than other countries. So it will, if you when you will join the workforce on the industry 5 or 6 years later, then you will understand that how poor condition we are in, and if you could just earn $500 or $200 easily in other countries, and in Bangladesh you are working hard and hard, but you are not barely making enough $2 or $3 a day. So it's actually a different topics to us. Okay, we have 2 minutes left. Maybe we okay, Samir, I have two questions that we ask every joiners. So did you enjoy our session today? You joined later, but did you enjoy it, or what do you think? It was a enjoyable conversation.
I did enjoy. I think I'm the most sorry.
Youngest one.
Uh, yeah. That's. I think I'm the most. I'm the youngest one here, so I did actually enjoyed it more than anyone else. That's my assumption
Okay.
because I'm the one who. Yeah, I don't want to add that. Sorry,
Okay.
that
Don't
might
worry.
be arrogant.
Don't worry. If you try to speak more frequently in English, you will get better. And another question? Will you join our next session if you get enough time, free time?
I think that could be when I do I do something.
Okay.